In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Microsoft Teams link for your meeting. Whether you're organizing a virtual gathering for work, a webinar, or catching up with friends and family, Microsoft Teams makes it incredibly simple to share your meeting link with attendees. I'm here to walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you're ready to host or join your next meeting with ease. First things first, we need to navigate our way to the Microsoft Teams website. The easiest way to get there is by typing Microsoft Teams into your favorite web browser and clicking on the official website link. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button. Click on that and it will prompt you to enter your account details. Go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, you're going to want to find the calendar on the left-hand side of your screen. Microsoft Teams has a nicely organized layout, so you should see the calendar icon without any issues. Click on that and you'll be taken to your personal Teams calendar where all your scheduled meetings are listed. Now here comes the important part. Navigate through your calendar and click on the meeting for which you need the link. This action will open up the meeting details. When you're in the meeting details, look around for a link. You should see a URL that is the direct link to your meeting. Next to this link, there's a handy copy icon. Click on this icon. This action automatically copies the meeting link to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you need it. Now that you have the meeting link copied, you can paste it into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you plan on sharing it with your intended attendees. It's a simple way to ensure everyone who needs to be in the meeting can find their way there without any hassle. Here are a few additional tips to make your experience even smoother. Always double check the meeting time and date before sending out your link, particularly if participants are in different time zones. It's also wise to add an agenda or a brief note on what the meeting will cover when you share your link. This helps attendees prepare and ensures that your meeting runs as efficiently as possible. Today you've learned how to quickly find and share a Microsoft Teams meeting link. With just a few clicks, you're all set to bring everyone together, no matter where they are in the world. Remember, mastering these small tasks can drastically improve your workflow and make your virtual meetings a breeze. Keep practicing, stay organized, and happy meeting.